How to rearrange channels on YouTube TV. You can customize the channel lineup on YouTube TV by rearranging channels in the live guide. This allows you to place your favorite channels at the top for easy access. Follow these steps. Method 1. Rearrange channels on web browser. Visit YouTube TV website. Open youtube.com on a web browser and sign in with your Google account. Go to Settings. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Access Live Guide. In the Settings menu, click Live Guide. Reorder channels. Click and drag channels up or down to change the order. Place your favorite channels at the top for easier access. Save changes. Click Done or Save to confirm the new lineup. Method 2. Rearrange channels on mobile app, iOS/Android. Open YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. Access Settings. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and tap Settings. Manage Live Guide. Select Live Guide from the Settings menu. Customize channels. Tap and drag channels using the reorder icon next to each channel. Arrange your favorites at the top. Save and exit. Tap Done to save changes. Important notes. Profile-specific settings. Custom channel arrangements are saved per profile and sync across all devices linked to that profile. Live Guide visibility. You can hide channels by unchecking them in the Live Guide settings. Auto Save feature. Changes are saved automatically when adjusted in the web browser or app. With these steps, you can easily reorder your YouTube TV channels to better suit your viewing preferences.